I'm okay.
Cowabunga, bros!
Cowabunga.
How's it going, everybody? We are back with another unboxing of the TMNT box. This is the July. You're okay? This is the July 2018 TMNT box.
Open that.
What color is the box this month, buddy?
Blue.
It's blue?
It's Leonardo.
It's Leonardo?
Yeah.
Let's open this up and get into it, buddy.
Okay.
Hey, what shirt are you wearing?
Huh? So.
Casey Jones?
Yeah.
Yeah, we got that in a TMNT box a couple months ago.
Yeah, it's fast.
In the wrap box?
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you think's in this one? I have no idea.
Wow.
Ooh, what's this? What's this? First thing is, what is it?
Paste. The paste.
It's a snack container. Oh, you could put snacks in here. Look it. You could put your Cheetos in there, Nicholas.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll do it later. We gotta clean it first, okay? So we got a little snack box. What else is in here? Ooh, what's this? Wait, do this one first. Do you know who oh, we got 2 Bebop stickers. Thought it was Bebop from Rocksteady, but we got 2 Bebops. Oh, what else did you get? Oh, I see why there's Bebop stickers. Because Nicholas just got an amazing Bebop t-shirt. Look at that, Nicholas.
Look at Daddy.
Oh, let's see. Let's read. Rocksteady, 1 drop beat tank top or shirt. So I think you got the shirt. There's 2 Bebop pins or stickers
Look at.
for younger subscribers.
Look at
Oh, see,
Daddy.
we would have got pins, but since you're a younger subscriber, we got stickers, and we got the snack container. Let's see. You want to try on your new Bebop shirt?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Ready?
Yeah.
Bebop coming in 1, 2, 3.
Look at me.
Look at Nicholas.
Wow.
Who's on your shirt?
Kiss is so.
Who is this?
Kiss is so.
It's Bebop.
No, kiss is so.
It's Bebop, Nicholas.
Wow.
Wow. You like Bebop?
Yeah.
Look, Bebop's like, here, this is Bebop. Got our Bebop Funko Pop for comparison. See, this is Bebop, and he's on your shirt. Do you like him?
Yeah.
Let's pan this down a bit.
I want to hold that.
You wanna, oh!
I want to
Look,
hold
look, he's on your shirt, see? It looks like a...
What the Rocksteady?
Rocksteady's the Rhino. He's his partner. His half of the gruesome twosome, buddy.
What's that?
Wow, do you like your TMNT box this month, Nicholas?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I want to open that up.
Yeah, we'll put Cheetos in there for you later. That's your favorite snack.
I want to be Rocksteady.
That's Bebop. He's not gonna fit. See? It's too big. Alright, well, as always, this is a $10 a monthly subscription box of random TMNT goodies. And I used to get shirts in my size, but I recently switched it to... So Nicholas could have more shirts because I have a lot of shirts. But thanks for watching, guys.
Okay.
And we'll see you next time. Cowabunga and peace.
Okay.
Booyakasha!
Yeah.